Hi everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the generative recipe AI, a web application designed by me to help you create personalized recipes based on ingredients you have on hand. This project showcases cutting edge technologies like React.js, AWS Amplify, and AWS Cognito to deliver a seamless and secure user experience. Let me give you a quick overview of the app. Recipe AI features a clean, intuitive design where you can input ingredients and instantly generate real-time recipes. This includes secure user authentication powered by AWS Cognito, ensuring personalized and protected access. This app is responsive, so it works beautifully on desktops, tablets, and mobiles. So as you can see, this is my basic UI for the app. And to start, let's create a new account. So I'm going to type in my email address over here. And I'm going to put in a password. And I'm going to actually create an account, and I'm going to put a password. Okay, and it says we have emailed you the code. So now I'm gonna go to my inbox and check for the code. So I've just got my verification code over here. So I'm just gonna copy my verification code and add it over here. And as you can see, this is my main app, which the user interface looks like this for the app after I put in the verification code. And now that my app account is created and I have logged in, you can see that I've successfully taken to the recipe generation dashboard, and this is exactly where the magic happens. Let's say that I have ingredients. For example, let me type tomatoes, cheese, basil, and I'm going to click on generate, and this app is developed by me, so I have my name over here. So it's right now generating. In just a moment, the app processes the data and provides me with recipe generations. And this gives you lots of different recipes every time you put in the same, even if you put in the same ingredients. So as you can see, the recipe includes a list of steps and details on how to prepare a dish using these ingredients. So right now we have the caprese salad, and it shows me my ingredients. It tells me the instructions that I need, and it tells me how I can serve it. So this is just to show how the app is so fully responsive. So if I resize my browser window or use it on a mobile device, it will adjust accordingly. And this wraps up the demonstration of my recipe AI. With this real-time recipe generation, secure user authentication, and responsive design, this app is a testament to the power of modern web technologies. If you'd like to explore the code or learn more about the app, you can visit my GitHub repo, where I have linked everything about my app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this demo. And